I sold out. Hi guys, my name is Joanna. If you are new here, hi. And today we are going to be doing a spring 2020 FabFitFun unboxing. This thing's heavy, very heavy. I already opened it like 2 weeks ago. I was supposed to film this, frankly, like 2 weeks ago, just based on my filming schedule, and then I didn't, and then midterms happened, and I got very busy, and I basically forgot about the box. But we are here now, and I can actually talk about it, and I'm very excited. For full reference, I am partnered with FabFitFun. I really like subscription boxes. I really like them. I do think, however, they do contribute to unnecessary waste problems that we have in the US. That's a deeper subject than I can get into without being completely and utterly incoherent. I don't want to speak out of bounds. Never actually had a FabFitFun box. Just kind of like spoiler alert, I was expecting fitness stuff. I mean, is that kind of stupid of me? I thought there would be like fitness-centric stuff in there, and there wasn't. It's mostly like personal health, treat yourself stuff. First thing I'm going to be talking about is the Shoshana Umbrella. Okay, so this is it. The little cover comes off. I'm not going to open it because I'm superstitious. But it has the cute little ruffles around the brim. And it has a cute little punch button that just opens it up immediately. More plastic on here that I didn't get. And it says, "Don't rain on my parade" on the cute little handle. Very adorable. It retails for $40, which is more than I thought an umbrella could retail for. But interesting. The next thing I'm going to go ahead and talk about, the Caravan Diamond Woven Rug. It's actually really cute according to the photo. It's very cute and it's very white, which worries me because I'm not a very clean person at all. But it's very cute. So I'm now going to go ahead and hop over to, what am I going to talk about? Gravity Weighted Sleep Mask. It is like those little gravity blankets, I believe. Same company. It's very soft. I like it. Very soft. I happen to be one to use this. It feels like it'd be pretty comfortable. I usually don't use anything like sleep mask wise because I'm scared it's going to somehow in the middle of the night slip down to my throat and choke me. Which is also why I don't sleep with necklaces on, because that's a compulsive and slightly irrational fear of mine. But I think it's slightly rational. I think it could happen. It could happen. Maybe. I don't know. I haven't actually looked it up, and I don't want to look it up because if I rationalize it, then it makes it all that more terrifying. Anyways, this seems like a really cool thing. Next thing is the Stone Cold Fox tea towels, which just makes me think of Lux from the Virgin Suicides.
You're a stone fox.
They're really nice. And how much are they? 4C. These things are $38 for tea towels. I could not imagine spending that much on tea towels. Is that sad? I don't know if that's sad. Is that not very adult-like of me? But they're so pretty, and they're also so white. I would probably never use them. You're gonna get put in the kitchen and never used, because I'm gonna be way too scared to ruin you and your integrity, because you're so pretty. You're so simple and you're so pretty, and you're also kind of expensive for my college budget tastes. So the next thing is the Winky Lux Rainbow Balm. This little sucker here. Oh, it smells faintly of citrus. It's a pH balm, so it's supposed to go with like your pH, you know. I think it's like Winky Lux's big marketing points that their pH balanced lipsticks suit to your tone. I don't know. I think it's cute. It's a cute marketing gimmick. It's very cute, and it's very, I would say, transportable. Next thing is the Wander Beauty Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. I actually have their I have another mascara by them that I got at a Birchbox a long time ago. It's good. I love mascaras. Mascaras, as long as they don't flake or get too clumpy, they work to me, or they don't smudge. I don't like it when mascara's like hour 3 and they're already smudging. Next thing is the Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. a multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. It's by This Works, not to be confused with that MLM brand. I think it's called It Works. This is a different thing. Ooh, it's very minty. Where do I use this? It looks like a body lotion. Use nightly after bathing and before bedtime to restore and nourish the skin whilst you sleep. And then it tells me a whole bunch of sciencey stuff that I think is probably just marketing. Small amounts. My skin's very sensitive and I probably should patch test this. It's fine. It smells like goat soap from an Etsy shop. Is that too niche? I don't think so. It smells like that, which I really enjoy and love. It smells very earthy, which I like. So I hope I will continue using that. I don't think it has any legitimate medical benefits as far as my skin goes, but it could help if my skin gets dry sometimes, and I think it could help with that. As far as like the other stuff that was listed on there, I'm not so sure. This is the last thing in my box. Yes, it's the last thing in my box. It is the Ciate London. I hope I'm saying that right. Fierce Flick Precision Tip Liquid Liner. I have used this. I actually broke it out of the box to use a couple days ago, and I actually fell asleep with all my makeup on, and I will insert a little clip of my makeup the next morning. The liner was still there after I had fallen asleep and woken up the next morning, and I don't sleep very gently. I'm a pillow stealer, I'm a sheet stealer, I'm a people kicker, I'm a myself kicker, which doesn't sound like it works, but it does happen, and it's painful. Like in the video, it did smudge, but it didn't smudge while I was sleeping, which escapes me as to how that happened, because I'm not a sound sleeper. Like I said, I move around a lot. But I'm really happy and satisfied with this. But anyways, that is the Spring 2020 FabFitFun box. Don't forget, I have a little discount code if you want to use it. I'm like a real influencer now, I guess. I got a FabFitFun box. I'm cool. I'm not a regular girl on YouTube. I'm a cool girl on YouTube. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, wonderful week, wonderful month, wonderful year, wonderful whatever timeline you are on. And I will see you guys next time.